Hi guys, we're going to make a quick ragi porridge for breakfast, and this is going to be a sweeter version. So I have 3 tablespoons of ragi that I quickly roasted for a minute or two. I'm going to add half cup of water. So to this porridge, I've added a cupful of water. I increase the half to a cup. So I'll stir it properly so that the lumps can kind of disappear. I will now start adding some milk. I've added a cupful of milk of any choice. You could use soy milk, you could use almond milk, you can also use your regular milk. So at this point I'll keep stirring it, and we're cooking on medium-low heat to break the lumps. And this process would be easier the breaking of lumps would be easier if I use a whisk, and that's exactly what I'm going to do next. What this porridge looks like, I'll keep whisking it until all the lumps disappear. So I added a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a tablespoon of jaggery. I'll give it a taste, and I might want to thin my porridge because it looks a lot thicker. So I added 2 tablespoons more of milk, and I added another about a complete half teaspoon of cardamom, and I added some more jaggery, like a 1/4 teaspoon of jaggery to my taste. And now I'm going to give it a mix and let it boil. When you see this bubbles, the porridge is completely ready to serve. It's ready to be served, and it makes about 1.5 serving of this porridge. Do try this nutritious breakfast. It is gluten-free and very healthy to have. Very light. It's an interesting grain. It tastes very nice and melts in your mouth.